Welcome to our How to Get a State Job series. This tutorial will provide instructions on how to update your contact information in your CalCareers account. First, you will need to sign into your CalCareers account. To do so, click on the login icon. Enter your user ID and password. You are now on your CalCareer account page. On the left side tab, click the Contact Information tab. From there, you can update your contact information. This information will be displayed in your Examination Employment Application STD 678 template. For your phone number to show on your application, please only choose Home or Work as the type. When finished, click the Save button. Great! You have now updated your contact information. You can discover more helpful tips for the job application process by exploring our How to Get a State Job series. Whether you're watching this video individually or as part of the series, we're here to guide you through each step of the process. We also want you to know that we have additional resources to help. You can visit the Help Tutorials page, located on the top of the CalCareers website, to access tutorials, frequently asked questions, and a glossary of commonly used terms. If you need further assistance or have any questions that are not addressed in these resources, visit calcareers.ca.gov/help